When did India gain its independence from British rule? 15th August 1947. When is Indian Independence Day celebrated? 15th August. Where does the main Independence Day celebration take place in India? Red Fort, New Delhi. What is the theme of Independence Day of 2025? National unity, technological progress, and a vision for future. On Independence Day, who hosts a tricolor flag? The Prime Minister of India. Which plan was known as the Partition Plan? Mountbatten Plan. When was non-cooperation movement started? 1920. When was Gandhi-Irwin Pact signed? 5th March 1931. Where did the tragic Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place in India? Amritsar. In which of the Congress sessions the Indian National Congress declared Purna Swaraj? Lahore Session 1929. India got freedom from colonial rule in 1945. Who was designated as the first Prime Minister of independent India? Jawaharlal Nehru. What was the other independent nation formed by the Indian Independence Act of 1947? Pakistan. Who served as the last Viceroy of British India? Lord Mountbatten. Which region of India saw mass migration in the year 1947? Punjab. When was the tricolour adopted as the national flag of India? 22nd July 1947. Which female freedom fighter played an important role in Indian National Congress? Aruna Asaf Ali. Who was referred to as the Rani of the Indian Revolution? Rani Lakshmi Bai. Who was the first Governor-General of independent India? Lord Mountbatten. The Quit India movement was launched in which year? 1942. The Champaran Satyagraha was related to which issue? Indigo plantation. Who was the first Indian woman to become the governor of a state in India? Sarojini Naidu. Who was the first Indian woman to become the President of the United Nations General Assembly? Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Who was the first Indian woman to become the President of the United Nations General Assembly? Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Who founded the Indian National Congress in 1885? Alan Octavian Hume. Who was the first Indian to receive the Bharat Ratna Award? C. Rajgopalachari. Who gave the slogan, Swaraj is my birthright, and I shall have it? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The Rowlatt Act of 1919 was also known as Anarchical and Revolutionary Crimes Act. Who was the first Indian to be appointed as the Governor-General of independent India? C. Rajgopalachari. The famous August offer was made by the British government in which year? 1940. The Battle of Plassey, which marked the beginning of British rule in India, was fought in which year? 1757.